I hate myself. Hello everybody, it's me Mariah, the elusive chanteuse. So it's been a good minute since I've done this. I just decided it's time to go back to my roots and just really dig deep down into my epidermis. Yeah, bitch, a lot's happened since I last saw you, McSweetie. I'm like in the process of getting an apartment tour ready. It just like, sis doesn't have all of her furniture yet and she's kind of getting a little impatient, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, we're gonna cook today. Strainer, whatever you want to call it. I'm so classy. I have to get everything I'm using out of the dishwasher. All right, I'm gonna get a big pan, a saucepan. I haven't even told you what I'm making today. Today, I am extremely hungry and I'm tired of eating frozen pizza. I'm going to be making mini round cheese raviolis. I love ravioli so much. I've never had this kind. Apparently it boils in 4 minutes. No artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. These are bite-sized ravioli filled with creamy seasoned ricotta and Romano cheeses. This is really, 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 really easy. Pretty much all I have to do is boil these until they're warm and sauce them, ho. And we're using Tuscan Traditions tomato basil sauce today, if you were wondering. You probably don't care, but I don't really have like an idea of how much water I need. I'm just filling it up until I'm done. I'm probably gonna make like half of this bag because I'm feeding 2 people, so love that for me. So this apartment so far has been pretty cool. It's very odd living completely alone, I must say. I can't even tell you how many times a night I get up just to make sure my door's locked and my slider door's locked and all of my windows are locked. But yeah, it's been pretty cool. Funny story, I had the maintenance man over today because I just assumed that my washing machine was broken. I flipped the breaker switch on and off again, and then I left it because it was like not turning on. My washing machine literally was not turning on. I turned the water off and back on as well just to make sure that wasn't the problem, and it wasn't. Tell me why the maintenance man comes today. Literally didn't even do shit. He literally just turned on my washing machine. First try, but it works, so I'm doing laundry. Okay, so while we wait for this water situation to figure itself out, I'm going to, let's open up this sauce. Are you kidding me? Oh. Bitch. Oh my god, that smells delicious. Okay, I'm so excited for that. Pour some of that in there. I'm not gonna use all of it. Hey! I'm so sorry. I didn't think it was gonna go the way that it did. Turns out, my memory was full and I couldn't finish that cooking video and I'm so deeply sorry. It's been a good couple of days since I filmed that video. I don't know, I'm just like, bitch. I'm spending more of my time editing this video probably than I'm going to edit this apartment tour that I'm supposed to be releasing some point in the near future. I'm such a problematic asshole and I am so sorry. No, but like seriously though, I am so sorry. Like this should not be taking your girl this fucking long. I deeply apologize. Do you like today's mug though? It's called Unshaved and Waiting. Cause I have a mustache. Hey sis, here I am today in this moment making ravioli once again for you all. Where was I? We're starting over. I don't know where I left off in the last video. I don't even remember where my video cut out and couldn't take anymore. So I'm literally just starting over right now. I need to start this sauce right now. It's been about a long time. I don't necessarily know. I don't have the answers. I don't got the answers. I ain't got the answers. No, that wasn't, no. Oh shit, I wanted to make Texas toast, bitch. Bread haul. Get that bread, sis. Oh my god. Okay. If they want to just come apart, that'd be like super dope. Add the rest of these. God bless. Oh, I'm so excited to consume. Pretty sure these are done now. So we're just going to strain them out. Remember to warm your hands on your burner because you can't afford that heat, sis. Alright, so now I guess like, let's just get it together. So let's just like scoop up this ravioli, sis. Okay, so this is the finished product. Interesting. Interesting indeed. It's looking all right. We'll see. Okay, so let's give it a go, I guess. Get some sauce on there. Bitch, that ain't bad. I see you. Okay.